This is going to blow your mind. Your marketing strategy is about to get a major upgrade. The global digital marketing market is set to reach an astronomical $1.3 trillion by 2033. Mobile advertising will dominate, accounting for 70% of total ad spending by 2028. And search advertising, it's growing at a steady 12.2% annual rate through 2026. But wait, there's more. Digital display ads are skyrocketing with a 15.5% growth rate. And don't sleep on organic search. Nearly half of marketers say it delivers the best ROI. Email marketing is still king with an impressive 82% open rate on welcome emails. Meanwhile, 94% of marketers are leveraging social media for content distribution. Personalized experiences are the new norm. 85% of marketers say customers expect them. And guess what? 83% of consumers are happy to share their data for a more customized experience. So there you have it. Stay ahead of the game with these eye-opening stats. Ready to transform your digital marketing strategy? Let's do this.